today I'll be reviewing the Handy Chopper Mini from Pigeon. Now, as the name suggests, this is a handy mini chopper which will help you chop your fruits and vegetables and make your life even more easier. Now, this is great for when you don't feel like chopping or you're someone who just doesn't like chopping. This one will do the work for you. The body of this chopper is made of hard plastic and is shatterproof. That means it's not going to break easily. It comes with 3 blades which is made of stainless steel and is very sharp, and it's going to last you for a bunch of uses. It also has this unique string function which helps to chop the vegetables which are inside. And the best part is that this doesn't require any electricity, so you can take it wherever you go. It's very portable and very convenient. This chopper is very easy to use. All you need to do is place the blade in the center of the bowl, then add your fruits or vegetables into the bowl. Remember to chop your vegetables or fruits into medium sizes and then add it, and then cover the bowl with the lid and make sure it locks. Then place one hand on the bowl and then use your other hand to pull the handle, and keep pulling the handle till you get your desired results. Be it onion, tomatoes, garlic,
and even dry fruits to small pieces without any hassle. So let's unbox it and see how it looks and works. We really like the sleek built and eco-friendly design of Butterfly Premium Vegetable Chopper. It is made from unbreakable ABS plastic and has a capacity of 900 ml. That means you can chop a large quantity of foods at once. It has 3 sharp blades inside that are made from good quality stainless steel that can evenly chop the jar full of vegetables and fruits. Its unique string function gets the job done without needing electricity. To use Butterfly Vegetable Chopper, roughly cut the foods you want to chop and put inside the jar. Here we are chopping onion, and when you put it inside, close the lid firmly and pull this string a couple of times till the onion is chopped to your desired size. Our onion is chopped and we didn't have to shed a single tear. If you want to chop it further or turn it into a paste, pull the strings few more times. It's that simple. With the help of Butterfly Premium Vegetable Chopper, you can easily make salads, gravy, paste, and all other dishes required.
Comes with a tough rubber grip base that makes sure no matter how much work you're getting out of it, it stays firmly in place. After all, इसमें है extra sharp stainless blades, so we wouldn't want it to slip and slide around. The steel blades and the plastic blades both make it dishwasher safe, and हाँ, cleaning से याद आया, it comes with a nice push to clean button which takes care of the hygiene and cleanliness बहुत ही आसानी से. And for more convenience, the detachable container collects all your vegetables and fruits and can also be used for storing in the refrigerator. Great chop, slice, cut. The high quality stainless steel blades go through everything with great ease. You buy this and you get one plastic container, you get one peeler with grater, one safety holder, one masher, and one handle with cleaning press. सब एक package में. Now let's chop some vegetables using this chopper. Everybody loves potato veggies, तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ, using this chopper आप बड़ी ही आसानी से potatoes chop कर सकते हो. And that's it. Your potato slices are ready. सिर्फ 2 सेकंड में your veggies are ready to be fried and enjoyed deliciously. So you can see use करने के लिए you won't even require electricity. Let's take a quick look at this product. This product is made out of durable plastic. There are 3 units in this entire chopper: the bowl, the lid, and the blades inside. The lid has a protruding piece which attaches to the blade when the lid is closed. And now comes the magical part. इसके lid पर एक holder है which is connected with a cord. आप उसको pull करें and the blade starts rotating. Voila! How simple was that? Your veggies will be chopped in a jiffy. The quality of the blades is excellent. इसकी blades stainless steel से बनी हुई है. इसके base पर non-skid material लगा हुआ है to ensure that the chopper doesn't fall off while chopping. I give it extra points for being user-friendly. इस chopper के साथ अब आप बच्चों के लिए छोटे-छोटे fruits and vegetables के slices आसानी से काट सकते हैं for a healthy and nutritious tiffin. With this chopper, meals के साथ भी you can serve great-looking and tasty salads. Let me show you how easily you can use this chopper. We have some vegetables with us. Let's do this. Onion से शुरुआत करते हैं. एंड जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा, आपको इस चीज को इस पर अटैच करना है. देन वी सिंपली पुल द कॉर्ड. दैट्स इट. एंड एज यू कैन सी, अनियंस बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से चॉप हो चुके हैं. दैट्स इट. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट इट इज नो टीयर्स एट ऑल.